Why men pull away after getting close, the surprising answer. Have you ever wondered why men sometimes pull away after getting close in a relationship? It's a confusing and frustrating experience, but today, we're going to reveal the surprising answer. So, let's dive in and unravel this mystery together. Picture this: you've been dating someone for a while, and everything seems to be going great. You're connecting on a deep level, and it feels like you're finally getting closer. But then, out of nowhere, he starts to pull away. What's going on? Well, the surprising answer is that men often pull away because they're afraid of losing their freedom. It's not that they don't care about you or the relationship, it's just that they're scared of being tied down and losing their independence. This fear can be so strong that it causes them to retreat, even when they genuinely care about you. But don't worry, there's hope. Here are some tips on how to handle this situation and bring him closer again. 1. Give him space. When a man pulls away, it's essential to give him the space he needs to process his feelings. Don't pressure him or try to force him to open up. Instead, let him know that you're there for him when he's ready to talk. 2. Be patient. It can be tough to wait for someone to come around, but patience is key in this situation. Remember that he's dealing with his own fears and insecurities, and it may take some time for him to work through them. 3. Focus on yourself. While you're giving him space, take this opportunity to focus on your own growth and happiness. This will not only help you feel more fulfilled, but it will also make you more attractive to him in the long run. 4. Communicate openly. When he's ready to talk, make sure to have an open and honest conversation about your feelings and expectations. This will help both of you understand each other better and strengthen your connection. Now, let's dive deeper into the psychology behind this behavior. Men are often conditioned from a young age to value their independence and autonomy. Society tells them that they should be strong, self-sufficient, and in control of their lives. This can create a deep-seated fear of losing their freedom, which can be triggered when they start to get close to someone in a relationship. So, how can you help your man overcome this fear? Here are some additional strategies to consider. 5. Reassure him. Let him know that you value his independence and that being in a relationship doesn't mean he has to give up his freedom. Show him that you can support each other while still maintaining your individuality. 6. Build trust. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship. By being open, honest, and reliable, you can help your man feel more secure and less afraid of losing his freedom. 7. Encourage his passions. Support his hobbies, interests, and friendships outside of the relationship. This will show him that you respect his need for independence and that being in a relationship doesn't mean he has to give up the things he loves. 8. Be understanding. Remember that his fear of losing his freedom is likely rooted in deep-seated beliefs and past experiences. Try to empathize with his feelings and be patient as he works through them. 9. Create a balanced relationship. Show him that a healthy relationship involves a balance of independence and interdependence. Encourage open communication, shared decision-making, and mutual support, while also respecting each other's need for personal space and autonomy. 10. Lead by example. Demonstrate your own commitment to maintaining your independence within the relationship. Pursue your passions, maintain your friendships, and continue to grow as an individual. This will help him see that it's possible to be in a loving relationship without losing one's freedom. So, there you have it, the surprising reason why men pull away after getting close, the psychology behind it, and 10 tips on how to handle it and bring him closer again. We hope you found this video insightful and helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Psychology Facts for more engaging content about psychology and relationships. Now, We'd love to hear from you. Have you ever experienced a man pulling away after getting close? What strategies have you used to help him overcome his fear of losing his freedom? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Your insights might help someone else going through a similar situation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Psychology Facts. Stay tuned, and take care.